can you see? What can you see on the front of this story?
A bull.
A bull. The green bird sat on a tree trunk nearby, looked at the red bull and said, "Red Bull, what happened?" "My little brother came into the barn," said the red bull, "and in his mouth he held a spider. A huge spider. I was so terrified and I screamed. Ah!" Oh, he's sad and sometimes he's lonely. The sad corner is over here. The green bird was very calm. Who can show me how to be very calm? Oh yes, Mummy, lovely. Breathe in. Breathe out. Nice, everybody, breathe in. Breathe out.
You choose here, okay.
Why did you
Yes, actually some would put it here. Because some would be too terrified.
Frustrated.
Oh.
Frustrated.
Oh, can you show a frustrated face?
Excited.
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 There you go.